Today we are going to tell you a story.
Hello, I'm Luke, I'm 10 years old, and today I'll be a mouse.
Hello, I'm Uroš. Today I'm Bimo.
I'm Melita. Today I'm going to be a rabbit.
Hello, I'm Dušan. Today I will be a bear.
Oh, and hello, I'm Eva. I'm a teacher, but today I'm going to be a badger. Thank you.
Is this ready?
Yes, we're ready.
One day a little mouse looks out of his tiny house and sees an enormous apple.
Oh me! What a huge apple! I want to eat it!
He pulls and pulls, but he can't pull it in.
I need a bigger house for me and my apple.
Looking for a new house makes you hungry.
Hello, Moo. I'm looking for a new house for me and my apple. Can I live with you?
Absolutely no. My house is full of books. It is too small for you and your apple and me and my books.
It's okay. I'll keep looking.
But looking for a new house makes you hungry.
Hello?
Then he sees a hole just a little bit bigger than was.
Hello, Rabbit. I'm looking for a new house for me and my apple. Can I please live with you?
I'm sorry, but no. My house is full of cabbages. It is too small for me, my cabbages, you, and for your apple.
It's okay. I'll keep looking.
But looking for a new house makes you hungry.
Then he sees a hole just a little bit bigger than rabbits.
Hello, Bear. I'm looking for a new house for me and my apple. Can I live with you?
No, I'm sorry. My house is full of cushions. I sleep a lot and I snore. No, it's too small for me and my cushions and you and your apple. Bye.
It's okay. I keep looking.
But looking for a new house makes you hungry.
Then he sees an enormous house.
This will be big enough for me and my apple and somebody else.
Hello, is anybody home? Hello, little mouse. Why don't you come and live with me?
Bear, I think your house is too small for me and my apple and you. I'll keep looking. Bye.
But looking for a new house makes you hungry.
It's night and rabbit is sad and mouse is sad, but apple is not very big.
Oh. My house is now big enough for me and my apple.
The end. Once again, thank you very much. Super su glumci, glasno su govorili da svi čuju, nadam se da su bili dovoljno glasni, jasni. Svi zadaci koji su postavljeni pred njih su savladani za kratko vreme. Eto, mi smo vežbali možda 3-4 časa, da kažem, svako od nas da je.